Hey guys, good morning. So today I would like to share with you one recipe that I would like to try. It's gonna be first time I'm gonna try this, but I'm very excited about this idea. So it's gonna be a rosella jam made of rosella flowers, which are full of antioxidants, vitamin, minerals, all good stuff, which is beneficial for our health. So I'm gonna harvest approximately I don't know, 60 flowers, let's see, and I'm gonna try to do just a little bit of jam, maybe 2 little jars, just to try it out, taste it, and after decide if I'm gonna do more. So stay tuned and let's have a look. This is the rosella bush I'm gonna harvest now. As you can see, there is a lot of fruits coming out and they are ready to be harvested. The size is quite big, beautiful color, look very healthy, so it's the right time to do something with that. Apart of jam, you can do just tea, just to soak it in hot water, or you can eat actually the leaves, which are edible. I haven't tried it yet, but it's gonna be definitely next step. But now it's gonna be just all about the amazing rosella jam. I harvested approximately 35 flowers. So as you can see, it looked like this, and inside there is like a green ball full of seeds. That one we will separate and cook a little bit different way. And yeah, let's see how much jam we can do from such a small amount. So 35 flowers, approximately, I don't know, 2-3 centimeters long. And yeah, let's see how this is gonna work out. This is it. So we have separated the heart of flowers and the petals itself. So for this moment, we're gonna boil this first, approximately 30 minutes in water just a little bit above, and it's gonna create nicely jelly texture liquid. And after that one, we're gonna boil it with the flowers, and it's gonna make the jam itself. So let's have a look how it's gonna look like. And this is the results. Looking great, nice and thick, with a little bit like blood. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this result. The taste is great, and now I'm gonna put it in the jars and wait until it's ready to be eaten. So here we are. This is the final product. So from 37 flowers we got this jar, which is like 250 milliliters of amazing rosella jam. It's so tasty and I can't wait to cool it down, wait a couple of days and just try it out with some nice bread and yeah, enjoy the goodness in it. So I hope you enjoy, guys. Definitely you should try it as well. Please let me know in the comments what was your challenging, or which kind of flavor did you add, because sometimes you can add a cinnamon or ginger, or just follow your inner thought. And yeah, let's see what's coming up. And I will definitely try next time different type and with some additions, and I will let you know as well. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you sometime soon. Bye bye.